Food is an important part of life, and I love food, especially when it's sweet. Today I'll be making a tennis biscuit and caramel fridge cake. The equipment that you'll need is a grater, a knife, a tray, and some baking paper. The ingredients that you require are 1 tin of caramel, 2 packets of tennis biscuits, but you can experiment with different biscuits if you want, coconut and peppermint crisp chocolate. Let's get started. First, you take your baking paper and put it on top of your tray. Then take 3 tennis biscuits and lay them out like this so they're next to each other. Then take your knife and put it in some caramel and then spread it and butter the top of each of the biscuits with caramel. So now that you've done that, line them up and then build the next layer by staggering them. Take this one here. Make sure it's next to each other, otherwise it won't be strong. The end. So your first two layers should look like this, and then repeat the same steps until you have at least 8 to 9 layers of tennis biscuits. Keep adding caramel and for all of the layers of biscuits. While you're busy baking, try not to eat all the caramel. Yummy. Keep building up the layers. Now we've done 8 layers of stacking, and now we have to get our caramel and spread caramel all around it. Here's a trick that my mum taught me on how to get the coconut onto the sides. Now we're going to throw out a little bit more coconut now for the next step along the base of this. Here, we're going to gently roll this over into the coconut there by holding this up only. So just get this going. Like that. Since there'll be no caramel at the bottom of your brick, now will be your chance to put caramel at the bottom. Carefully put some coconut on the sides where it doesn't have any coconut on it. So open your peppermint crisp chocolate and then grate some on the top using the grater. Finally, what's left to do now is to wrap it up and put it in the fridge overnight. It's been in the fridge overnight, so it should be set. Now let's cut and enjoy this delicious fridge cake. Let's give it a try. As an optional extra, you can add whipped cream. It's optional, but it's also very yummy. Making caramel and biscuit fridge cake.